Several months ago, I made gyros with beef and lamb. I whipped the beef and the lamb together, and I made a concoction. It was much like meatloaf. It was delicious, but my only gripe was that it was slightly dry. You like the chicken gyros with the untrimmed chicken? Huh? By pureeing the thighs, you create a thick meatloaf-like consistency, and this is very sticky. Chicken thighs are, not the most expensive cut of meat. The Cavenders. You like the juice? You do. You like the juice. There's something about a chicken loaf that just sounds disgusting, but this works. You like the juice? It's a fairly simple sauce. Sour cream, cucumber, lemon juice, red onion, green onion, garlic powder, and a salt and a pepper. It's good, no? Tzatziki sauce. It is easier to pronounce and make than it is to spell. A T, a Z, a A, a T, a Z, a I, a K, and an I. Are you a B material? Ah, yes, the chicken hero loaf. The thighs are juicy. The juice is good. You like the juice? The juice is good. Gyro's kind of hard to say. You have to say gyro. You like the dip? I like the dip.